Ahangba Phamkharagi Post Kaujari Times of Manipur Registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India Office Lilong Bazaar near PHC Hospital Lilong Thobal District Haribasigi Makedigi Employment News ki Paujian Pijari Serial number 1 da Vacancy Marfuganipan Tonga Tonga Post ki Vacancy Leading Bank Regular Oina ICICI Bank HDFC Bank Axis Bank Bandhan Bank IndusInd Bank Yes Bank ISSBC Bank Haribasing Asigi Name of Position Relationship Manager Clerk IT Deputy Manager Assistant Manager Senior Officer Customer Service Officer Value Banker Bank SRM BDE Teller Loan Officer Credit Card Staff Haribasing asi 10+2 graduate loinana final year BCA loinana MCA amadi engineering candidate any subject ta chahi tara nipan digina kunthra mari faugi manung da leiba lupa natraga nupi fresher only salary starting lupa lising fumari dagina lising marfugamari depending on post facilities in the insurance mediclaim pension ESPF etc thabak mafam na Manipur North East state amadi all India gi oina Date of selection test pangthokadaba November ki tang 13 amadi 19 2024 online amadi offline ani subada cyber security bank corporate office eligibility oina graduate pass male natraga female chahi kundagina chahi kunthani thoi fawbada leibasing vacancy masing kunthraga mari starting salary lupa lising marfudaraga manga dagina 2 lakhs thabok mafam na Delhi Kolkata Guwahati amadi Imphal serial number 3 da loinana vacancy marfudaraga nithoi airport amadi airlines name of position CSA, ZSC, Ground Staff, Security Executive, Cargo Officer, Customer Service Officer. Eligibility na 10, loinana 10+2, graduate. Chahi tara tuktik ni sahi kunthagani thoi phawda leiba, loinana male amadi female bi oina fresher only. Tolop lupa lising kunmari. Loinana employee ki facility, ground staff, thabok mafam na Imphal, Guwahati, Delhi, Chennai, Goa, Hyderabad amadi Kolkata. Pambiba candidate sing na magi CBS resume makhada pizariba mail amadi WhatsApp number sida pau hobi. Number 76290105002 amukana 7629010502 loinana mail ID palmsinternational2@gmail.com